Hello my beautiful friends, and I've got some closet cleanup, and I'm really embarrassed to show you guys actually what I have in my closet since we moved. It's been really hectic. So I was pregnant, and then I got Peter, and then and then Peter was very tiny, so I couldn't have a time to clean up the closet, and it just got like all like piled up. It never happened to me actually before. It's all a whole bunch of mess currently, but now I'm pregnant again, so you can see my baby, and I'll actually announce who's that baby boy or girl. You can guess in the comments below right now for now. But yeah, for now I'm pregnant again with baby number 2, which is really exciting again. So and I've decided to do, why not just start doing this closet cleanup and starting doing these vlogs again. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe, hopefully, I'll try not to complicate things for myself a lot, just to be myself and to show you what my current life is. Not sure about fashion videos, how it goes, and how like I'll be filming those for now, because it's a little bit complicated, so I don't have time and a little bit tired. So I'm 22 weeks pregnant, so for now. So we'll just talk about pregnancy a little bit later, but yeah, for now let's do the closet cleanup, because the lighting outside is still, we have still a little bit of sun left, but it's no longer be the case within an hour or so. So let's do that. And that's what currently I have in my closet, so which is really embarrassing, you guys. So I can't believe I'm showing you this mess. But just for your reference, yeah, this is how it goes, and this is like how things are going. I can't even walk in. It's just getting very mad and crazy, so I have to just clean it up, because it's not the vibe anymore. If anyone has the same situation, so just let me know in the comments below, just to feel me, to make me a little bit, to make myself feel a little bit better. But I think nothing will make me feel better, because this is not acceptable. I can't believe I'm showing you this. But okay, I'm gonna pop you on right here somewhere on a tripod, and we'll try to show you how I'm cleaning, just the process. We'll probably speed this up, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see, because I have to, yeah, as I said, I'll pop you up somewhere on the tripod, and we'll try to clean this closet together, and then we'll see how it goes. We'll see how much I'll be able to clean actually, and some things I'll be throwing away, donating. Yeah, some things I'll be donating, some things I'll be throwing away, which are not. Some things I'll be selling on a Poshmark, which I'll be using for the first time. If you have experience with that, let me know in the comments too. So yeah, let's just start. And here's Peter. So he's playing. Peter will turn 2 years old next month, December. So now he's playing with his toys. Do you want to show us how you make a... done, and that's what we have in here. I know it's not like super tidy, it's not like super organized, it's not color organized as well, but here I have some pants, some shorts, white coats are here, nothing as you can see on the floor, so this will go on top. So this is actually for my baby. This is like a new the thing that you put on top of the bed, like a crib. It's really pretty. It's yeah, you can tell like how pretty it is. So and these are still to go, so I have to still clean this up in this still, but this is looks neat and tidy. So here I have my bathrobes, here are my jackets, so half of these I will sell, and here I have my blazers. So this is the blazers, this is Peter's jacket, blazers, and some pants, some shirts, coats, jackets. So and I will still have to throw these green ones, and so I still have a little bit mess left on my bed, so I have to clean it up, and I'll be waiting for my husband to put this on top on the shelf right there, and I need to get these jeans, but for now that's all. And I have some needs right there, needed like hats and some jumpers and everything else. So I have to still clean up the floor around, so this I will be donating, and these I'll be selling like half of this and maybe some of the coats, probably the red one, Ted Baker, I'll be selling because it's no longer my style. I mean, it's my style, but I want a red coat which is more straight, but this one is fitted and super tight. And also I have the orange one which is mango, and this one I will probably send as well because I want a little bit more. I mean, it's great. I'm still thinking if I want to sell this one or not because it's beautiful. And we'll probably be selling this one as well. This is short coat. It's very beautiful color combo. It's like pink, dusty pink and blue, and it's from Armani Exchange. So this is my puffer. Yeah, still need to clean more, but I'm so tired. For now, I spent like an hour or so. And now I just need some rest because a baby just not giving me the easy time. Hello my gorgeous friends, and please excuse the mess in the background. That's how I start my videos, and welcome to the next vlog. So today I'm starting with my fresh face because I didn't put any makeup on yet still, and I'm still in the mood of thinking should I put the makeup on or no, because but I still have to do some filming for my Instagram, so I think I have to still put my makeup on. And yeah, I'm doing my challenge still for the Instagram. It's like 365 days of outfits where I have to create every day, where I have to create at least one outfit and show you guys. So I did not skip the day so far. So check out my Instagram, I'll leave it down below too. Yeah, we had a very lovely morning today with Peter, and we had some breakfast, and we played a little bit, so we skipped that part. And I put a soup on the stove, so I'm cooking some soup for him, and I put him for a nap actually, and that's where I have a little bit of time to think and to maybe record something for you for the YouTube and also for my Instagram. Usually I'm filming for the Instagram, I'm filming in the evening, because my husband, he takes Peter with him for a walk, and I have a time to film some video. And if no time that day, then I'm filming in during his nap. And maybe my voice is a little low down because Peter is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up too soon because he still needs to sleep. At least like for nap, he takes a couple hours for the nap. Sometimes it's 3 hours, sometimes it's 2.5, but if it's 3 hours then it's too much and he doesn't sleep well during the night, so I will have to watch him and then wake up. The plan for today, for the rest of the day, it's getting very dark so soon. And it's already 2:30 p.m. so it's not technically morning yet, but yeah, it's fine. So I just wanted to say hi, just to finally turn on this camera and just say hi to you guys and start filming again, because this is not like I'm planning every day. I'm planning every day to start again and again, and then it just doesn't happen. So that unfortunately YouTube videos, they take much longer time than the Instagram videos because you have to prepare at least a little bit, and then you create a lot of mess with clothing, and you have to clean up the clothing, and then you have to think next what you should say. I mean, those videos like styling videos or how-to videos or these sort of videos, and I'm still not managing my time properly to be able to film those videos, but I promise I'll be able to soon. I hope. So yeah, that's the little update about my YouTube, my Instagram. My Instagram is kind of going, so I put this on a little like a routine. So I'm just uploading the video every single day. That's all. That's the life update. I hope it was not boring, and I hope my face was not too close to you, so you didn't feel. Oh, the sun is just like came a little down. So yeah, we'll keep you posted, we'll keep you updated. Also let me know what you want to see from me too in the comments below. I'll be just showing you my life, how like things are going, how everything are going so far. A little secret update very soon in the video too. Maybe in this one, maybe in the next one. So uncertain today. But I know for sure that I want to start this again, and I want to do this, and I want to just like keep doing it. Ideally would be one vlog a day, but I can't. This is unreal right now. I think I feel with my life situation, I feel this is not real. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat something because Peter is napping, so I have some time to eat, and I will eat my lunch or slash dinner. I don't know how you call it because it's already like 2:30, and then I'll have my tea, and then I'll see you guys. We'll show you something else. I've decided to pack on some things for the lighting is crazy. So hello guys. So I've decided to pack a little bit of things that I have to return to Neiman Marcus, and so Alex and baby is in the car, so waiting for me, and I have to pack everything really quickly. The things that I need to return, because there are only 2 days left for me to return these things. And so I'm packing right now, and I wanted to show you how everything is going. It's this So I'm gonna put you right here and then you won't see my face, I think, and I'll show you what I'm gonna pack. So this is the green, it's like a vest or cardigan, so it says it's artichoke. So I got this one. It's neat, it's beautiful, but I'm going to return this one because I hoped that it's gonna be as a dress, so it's expected to be a dress, but it's not.